What is up, Teachers on Fire? Today I want to show you why I love the Kindle reading experience so much. And I'm actually not going to show you my Kindle. I'm going to show you a web-based version of it. So every night I read my Kindle as I go to bed, and I highlight passages and lines that really strike me as powerful and impactful. And then here is the beauty. I want to show you the Kindle Cloud Reader. So you find it at read.amazon.ca or .com, depending on your country. And here I see all of the books that I've been reading lately in my Kindle. And Originals by Adam Grant was the last one that I read, and so it shows up first in my lineup. So I'll go back to my library. And again, I see all the books that I've been reading lately. I've got Rise of the Youpreneur, Edu Protocols in Math, Richard Wagame's Embers, and so on. You can see them all there. Now here's the really beautiful part. All of my notes and highlights are stored right here in the cloud reading app for Kindle. And so I've got highlights from Originals, I've got highlights from the Youpreneur book, I've got the Edu Protocols guide that I've just started into, Hacking School Discipline. So all of these, I can grab these highlights, of course, and fire them into Twitter, share them on LinkedIn. And I love doing that because it's a way to support the authors, but it's also a way to share brilliant ideas and gems that come from my own reading. So I'm not just going to some quotes website and digging these up, but I'm actually taking them from current reading and sharing them out. And of course, your professional learning network will love it. You're bringing value to them, even though they're not reading a particular book. And to me, it's just so wonderful. This is why I could never go back to physical books, because as strange as that sounds, just because it's so wonderful to have all of my books in this place. Now, keep in mind, again, if you're not familiar with the Kindle or with e-readers, all the actual reading is happening on my e-reader. That soft, non-blue light as I go to bed is just wonderful. It's a great reading experience. Try to do that every single night. But here, this is the beauty in terms of sharing out those highlights and cataloging them and keeping them, archiving them in the cloud. I love it. So wanted to show you that. And just so that you know, it is available, that Kindle will track all of your highlights for you. And again, you can access them at any time in the future.